Toyota finally got serious about electric vehicles, and the 2025 bZ4X proves it was worth the wait. Today, I'm getting up close with Toyota's freshly updated EV crossover that just got thousands cheaper. Has Toyota created an electric winner? Let's find out! What's up, everyone? I'm here with the 2025 Toyota bZ4X, and there's big news this year that makes this EV suddenly much more interesting. Toyota has slashed prices dramatically, with the base XLE now starting at just $38,465, making it one of the most affordable electric crossovers you can buy. First impressions? The bZ4X looks sharp. It's futuristic without being weird, with clean lines and an athletic stance. The new Nightshade edition I'm checking out today adds blacked-out trim and a contrasting roof that gives it a premium vibe. Under the sleek exterior, the bZ4X offers two drivetrain options. The front-wheel drive model packs a single motor with 201 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive version gets dual motors producing 215 horsepower combined. Not mind-blowing numbers, but perfectly adequate for daily driving. Stepping inside, the cabin feels airy and spacious. The dash has a unique design with the digital gauge cluster positioned far forward. It might look odd at first, but it's actually quite practical, keeping important information in your line of sight. The 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the center dash and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I particularly like the open storage space under the center console, perfect for purses or small bags. One clever feature in the limited trim is the radiant leg heating system. Instead of wasting energy heating the entire cabin in winter, this targeted approach warms your legs directly. Smart engineering that helps preserve battery life. Range is always the big question with EVs. The front drive model offers 252 miles, while the all-wheel drive version I'm looking at today delivers 222 miles. These aren't class-leading figures, but they're practical enough for most commuters and weekend getaways. Charging capabilities are solid too. At a DC fast charger, you can go from 10% to 80% in about an hour. At home on a level 2 charger, expect a full charge in around 9 hours overnight. Safety is comprehensive with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard across all models. The limited trim now includes traffic jam assist for 2025, making stop-and-go situations less stressful. The real story here is value. With these new price cuts, the bZ4X has transformed from an also-ran into a compelling option. It might not have the longest range or the quickest acceleration, but it offers Toyota's legendary reliability, a comfortable interior, and now an actually competitive price. For someone wanting to enter the EV world without breaking the bank or dealing with a steep learning curve, the 2025 bZ4X makes a strong case. It's familiar, practical, and distinctly Toyota, just without the gas station visits. What do you think of the bZ4X? Would you consider it as your first EV? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more EV coverage coming soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.